tired of rent hikes? Wondering where the tech founders are putting their money? Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood finance friend from Dabar. So you've seen the headlines. Big tech founders selling and buying stocks, property prices soaring, and you're wondering, is stock trading for me? Well, it can be. Here's Dabar's low-risk stock starter kit. Let's say you love social media. Instead of picking just one stock, diversify within the industry. Grab a little bit of TikTok, Twitter, maybe even some Snapchat. That way, if one company hits a snag, the others might still be trending. See? Spreading the love. Of course, before you jump in, do your research. Dabar's got tons of resources to help you understand the basics. And remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just getting you started. Start small, invest what you can afford to lose, and be patient. The stock market's a marathon, not a sprint. And to make things even easier, there are awesome apps out there like Stash and Robinhood that let you invest with just a few bucks. 2 more pro tips. First, consider fractional shares. You can own a tiny portion of a much more expensive stock, like Tesla or Amazon, instead of needing the whole pie. Fractional shares lets you do just that. Finally, don't get caught up in the hype. Focus on companies you believe in for the long haul. Ready to learn more? Visit thedabar.com for all things stocks, finance, and kicking off your financial journey.